How's it going? I don't consider myself a hoarder, but I got entirely too much computer stuff. And it's hell to sort this stuff. Like, I got HDMI cords, monitor cables, boards, 25 power cords, USB cords, Cat 5 wiring, PC heatsink stuff, electrical, data cable, all this mess. I'm trying to organize it. And I bought me a ton of zip ties. And I made me a little holder. It says simply, cut a piece of PVC, measure your lengths, transfer your measurements onto your PVC, cut some slots, and stuff it full of zip ties. Makes them real handy when you want to use them. Give me a like if you think this is a good idea. I just got too much stuff. I guess I need to throw it away, but I hate to throw away money.